Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I want to share a really cool tip on how to clean a frying pan of carbon and grease. To clean the frying pan we need only 1 cup of ingredients. A frying pan is an indispensable tool in the kitchen, but even if you wash it thoroughly after cooking, it still gets dirty. This is my frying pan. The bottom, as you can see, is covered in carbon deposits. The sides of the frying pan are black, so the dirt isn't very visible, but it's there. The method I am going to show you now is suitable for cleaning non-stick pans. As you can see, the non-stick coating on my frying pan is already damaged, but if you want to try this cleaning method, know that it can be used on modern frying pans. So, first you need to find a suitable container that will fit the frying pan. I used this basin. It is quite large and my frying pan fits completely in it. The method I will show you now can only be used to clean a non-stick frying pan from the outside. Don't let the cleaning solution get inside the pan, as it will damage the non-stick coating. Accordingly, if I boil the pan like this, the top will remain dirty, because I won't be able to add water above this level. The solution of this problem is very simple. To ensure the pan sits flat in the basin, not at an angle, and the bottom boils evenly, all you need to do is unscrew the handle. Look, the handle is all covered in grease. We will clean it too. The frying pan is prepared. Now let's measure out the ingredients we will use for cleaning. Pour the washing soda into the first cup. And in the second, mustard powder. Place the basin on the stove and pour water into it. The water should be about 1 cm short of the top. I turned on the gas. Now I'm adding washing soda to the water. Next, I add mustard powder. Mix the cleaning solution well. To prevent the frying pan from overheating and floating, pour hot water into it. Everything is ready, the pan is floating in the solution. The water will evaporate as it cooks, so you will need to add more water to both the pan and the basin. Half an hour has passed. The cleaning solution is boiling. Now I will take out the frying pan and start cleaning. While I am cleaning the frying pan, I'll put the handle in the solution. For cleaning I will use a hard sponge and a knife. Look how easy it is to clean off the carbon. It is like soft butter. It comes off very easily. The frying pan is almost clean now. I spent 3 minutes cleaning it. So let's take a look at the results. The inside of the pan is still exactly as it was, so you don't have to worry about the non-stick coating. I have already screwed the handle back on. It cleaned easily. Now look at the bottom. It is almost perfectly clean, and I spent minimal time and effort. Let me remind you what the frying pan looked like before cleaning. And here it is after. The result is stunning. Try this method if you want to clean your pans of carbon deposits and make them sparkle again. If you liked this tip, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in more videos.